Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the history of C# programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of C# programming language. C#, pronounced as C#, is a modern object-oriented programming language developed by Microsoft in the late 1990s. It was created by a team of developers led by Anders Hillsberg and first released in 2000 as part of Microsoft .NET framework. The origins of C# can be traced back to the development of Java, another popular object-oriented programming language that was released by Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s. Microsoft saw Java as a potential threat to its Windows operating system and decided to create its own alternative. C# was designed to be similar to Java in many ways, but with additional features that made it more suitable for developing Windows applications. One of the main goals of C# was to provide a language that was easy to use with a syntax that was similar to other popular programming languages such as C, C++, and Java. C# was also designed to be more powerful than these languages, with features such as garbage collection, type safety, and automatic memory management. It was also designed to work well with Microsoft's .NET framework, a set of libraries and tools that provide a powerful platform for developing Windows applications. Since its release, C# has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is widely used for developing desktop and web applications, as well as mobile apps for iOS and Android. It is also used for developing games, scientific applications, and other types of software. Over the years, Microsoft has continued to upgrade and improve C#, adding new features and improving its performance. Today, C# is widely recognized as one of the powerful and flexible programming languages available. It is likely to remain a popular choice for developers for many years to come. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about the history of C# programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for your support by watching, like, and sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.